Your skin is your largest organ. Why would you trust it to a total stranger on the internet who just appeared out of thin air? We see it all the time with these viral beauty products. They promise the world for a few dollars. This specific hair removal spray is making a lot of noise right now. It claims to be the ultimate painless solution for anyone craving smooth skin. The marketing positions it as a gentle alternative for sensitive areas. That sounds like a dream come true for those of us tired of razor burn. It sounds better than the agony of hot wax. However, the digital footprint of this brand tells a much more complicated story. The domain was only registered in September of 2025. That makes it a brand new player in a very crowded market. While the site does have a valid security certificate, that is just the bare minimum. It does not prove a company is trustworthy or even real. When you dig into the reputation of this site, the red flags start flying. I searched for any sign of life on the major review platforms. Trustpilot has absolutely nothing. There are 0 reviews from actual customers. That is a massive warning sign. If a product is as revolutionary as they claim, where are the happy users? Instead of glowing testimonials, we find a very low trust score. Independent scam detection experts gave the site a 38.7 out of 100. That is a failing grade in any book. The analysis labels the site as questionable. There are even links to potential risks like phishing, spam, and malware. You are not just risking a rash here. You are potentially risking your personal data and your financial security. The technical reports show the site is hosted in a digital neighborhood that is uncomfortably close to suspicious activity. I'm not saying they are definitely out to get you. I am saying the signals are not good. This is what I would call a high-risk situation. You have to be incredibly careful before you hit that buy button. Always verify the refund terms before you hand over any cash. Many of these fly-by-night companies make it nearly impossible to get your money back. You also need to look closely at the ingredients list. If they are not being transparent about what is in the bottle, you should stay away. If you still feel like taking the chance, you must perform a patch test. Do not spray this all over your body without knowing how your skin will react. Keep your expectations grounded. These sprays usually provide temporary results at best. They are not a magic wand that stops hair from growing forever. We live in an era where slick marketing can mask a lot of flaws. Do your own research and look for independent voices. Do not just follow the hype. Your bank account and your skin will thank you for being cautious. Use your head before you use your credit card. If you cannot find real feedback from real people, that is your answer. A lack of history is a history of its own in the world of online shopping. Stay smart and stay safe.